Okay, welcome back, guys. Now, this is I'm into the in the game only now. Today, I am going to show you some basic things about the game. Like in the top left-hand corner, you can see this is the profile. My profile here. It shows you the level at which I am. The league it shows total VP I have collected in this season. It's normally every week it changes, and total experience I've got and how much left for me to reach level 22. The next one is the daily. This gift box is basically the daily VPs that daily means bonus that we get from the game, a daily reward. The next is the current events, if any. If there are any, like now it's an ongoing event is going on, like Poison Ivy. So next, if any special announcement, they have to give the gift like this. This is the chat area, and chat area also you can, if you press the extreme left one, it is the entire platinum league. You can talk with anybody else, other players, and this is within the league, our alliance. And finally, personally, you want to talk chat. This is now the battle log. If somebody has attacked you, so you can check up there. Next is the daily quest. This daily quest is very important. You should always complete it every day. It's very important to progress well. Next button is will show you position in the league. So now let me collect all the whatever is okay. So let's gather. And the next one, this is the campaigns. This is the fixed campaign, like it's not multiplayer part, it's the single player part. It follows a story. And then this one is like, I think, for attacking and this one is the temple shortcut. So you can get all the shop or the temple level, daily bonus and poison altar and all these kind of things. Then you can buy resources also here, and gems also. You can buy all the gems and all different offers are there, whatever you like. And on the extreme left side, you can get this is the relics portion. Whatever relics you have, you can check. From here you can select from 1 star till 4 star, ascending or descending order, like this. Here you can forge all the relics. So this one is the treasure. Once the season ends and all, you get any prizes, win any prizes, those are kept here. So now more or less you have understood all that. And this is the VP part. So you can go here, the members. If you click, then you will see all the members who are playing in this game. It's the leaderboard. So the season ends in about 2 days. So next, let me go inside and see. mostly that's it. This one is just to give you a brief idea about the different buttons here and there. And one more button is left, that is a build button in the left hand corner. I will show you again. This is the button. Mostly once you level up, you will get more buildings, and all buildings you should build again. And only this one is left, like builders here. I have not purchased this. I have not. This is quite a bit high, like 20,000 gems, and I don't think I need another one builder. Already have 4 builders, so it's enough for me already. You can see 1 or 2 builders are always sitting idle. Now next, my strategy is to always build up. Like you can see here, to level up I have to build Arcane Tower level 12. Now when I go to Arcane Tower, you can see spell fort 7 is required. So now for spell fort 7 I require like 2.46 million now, which I don't have. Probably I will try and build this first, because leveling up gives a lot of benefits, like lands and all, defenses. And then another is the garrison. Garrison is also very important. Now I have to build 3 gold reserves level 14, then I'll be eligible for upgrade. Now I have like level 12 gold reserves, 3, so 1 is 13, so I have to build another. Much work left, because garrison upgrade will give me like another level of defender will be 17, so my defense will be a lot stronger. I will show you a little bit about my titans. Now you can see Segunga is now currently used because of this event only. I get benefits with this 4-star titan. I also have other titans, like highest is the Mamesh I've got, then the Segunga is there 4-star. Astron is 3-star, Korea is 3-star, Durat, Karn is 1-star. Cormac is currently my highest leveling Titan. You can see it has got very good stats, like 53,439 HP and damage rating of 5,112. Now I put this in the main garrison defense, so that I can avoid lot of attacks. And Logu is there, Noctus. Second highest is Sardu, which I've kept for attacking here and there, like important. If I want to gather more resources, then I have to attack a higher level player. For that I use Sardu, and now others are there all for garrison only. And that's it here, nothing much left here. So thank you very much for watching this video. Another video I will upload. I will show how to go about gathering more souls for the event. See you. Thanks.